Hi, I'm Brandon Peters, President and co-owner of Tri-County Enterprises. Tri-County is local and long-standing, servicing eastern Iowa for nearly 30 years. If it's on the outside of your home, we handle it. With us, you'll put a face to the name, know exactly when your project will start and finish, and get the best craftsmanship in the area. Here's how we have you covered when it comes to roofing. We have 4 roofing materials to choose from: SBS architectural shingles, stone-coated steel roofing, Kynar painted standing seam roofing, and our high-end composite tile. Asphalt shingles are the standard in roofing materials in the United States. We prefer SBS modified shingles because they are made up of an asphalt rubber mix that makes them a more flexible product that performs best in Iowa. These shingles can withstand the freeze-thaw winter months and extreme heat in our summer months. The SBS shingles we use also pass the Class 4 rating for hail resistance. Standard asphalt shingles with no rating will break down quicker and are not resistant to hail. For you, that means replacing your roof more often. Most shingle roofs can be completed in one day, so you're not left exposed and you're not inconvenienced with crews coming and going. Plus, your shingles will come with a manufacturer's limited lifetime warranty. Stone-coated steel roofing is usually the best choice for roofing material. Stone-coated steel roofing also meets the Class 4 hail-resistant rating, but it goes much further than that. This is the material that is manufactured in 7 layers of protection, from the protective surface coating on the steel core to the acrylic overglaze covering the roofing granules. Stone-coated steel roofs are more energy efficient, fire-resistant, wind-resistant, and 100% recyclable. They will outperform all asphalt roofs and should truly last a lifetime. Standing seam is a great option if you're looking for that sleek, modern feel. Standing seam roofing is installed in full-length panels running vertically up the pitch of the roof so water can ride in the panel and exit the roof quickly. They are very durable and will outperform the barn-style roofing that will leak over time. Composite roofing is the best of the best. This style resembles clay tile or authentic slate roofing at a more competitive price. It's highly sustainable by using post-industrial upcycled materials, no trees are cut down, and no slates are quarried for manufacturing. If you want the true look of a tile or slate roof, there is not a better choice. No matter what product is right for your home, you get the same quality installation from Tri-County Enterprises and a full system approach, not just a re-roof. As you think about your project, know we're here to help. Give us a call at 319-364-2220 or visit tricounty-iowa.com. Hope to work with you soon.